Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Kayla with Glona, and here I am today with our Biolure microcurrent and radio frequency system. So today I'm going to be going over the microcurrent modality with our Biolure system. So a little about microcurrent. Microcurrent is a type of electrotherapy that delivers microcurrents which mimic the body's natural currents, resulting in muscle toning. It's kind of like a facelift without surgery or natural Botox. Microcurrent retrains facial muscles to improve contour. Microcurrent is also great for reducing puffiness and boosting blood circulation, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and giving the face a natural lift. When it comes to microcurrent treatments, we suggest once or twice a week and up to 10 sessions for optimal results. So let's go ahead and get started with the treatments. So to perform a microcurrent treatment, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need conductive gel, gloves, and a headband for your client. So I'm going to go ahead and get prepped. So I finished applying the conductive gel, and as you can see, I applied it all around my eye because that's going to be the area I'm treating today. So it's very important to remember to follow the facial muscles when you're performing microcurrent. So when you get your Biolure in your manual, you're going to get a diagram that's kind of like this. So during treatment, we're gonna wanna follow this muscle going around. Okay, so I'm gonna begin. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from the front. I feel that ready. Keep going around and you're gonna wait until you get to that point where it twitches up. There we go. Gonna hold it there for 5 seconds. Awesome. Then we're gonna go around to the brow bone. Go around, up, there we go. There's that muscle. Gonna hold that for 5 seconds. Awesome, we're gonna go out. Ooh, there we go. Now this is gonna nicely tone and lift my eye. It's gonna reduce any puffiness that I may have had from earlier today, and also reduce any redness as well. Oh, as you can see, it kind of is getting the top and bottom muscle. It's really cool. Okay, gonna go again. Oh, I got a little muscle work right here. Move along a little bit more. Gonna do one more pass. Up. Here we go. Gonna keep moving until I see a twitch. There we go. The hold for 5 seconds again. Now this is completely painless. Actually very comfortable, almost like a tingling sensation. Okay, I'm gonna go over my eyebrow one more time. Not finding that facial muscle. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Got another one right here. There we go. And there you have it. Very simple and easy procedure. Completely pain-free, comfortable for you and your client. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and give us some feedback in the comments. Let us know if there's any other treatments you would like to see us perform, or any other information.